playing this game. It's random. So, okay, so I'm in creative mode right now. Okay, I'm gonna blend it. Pour the mixture on the frying pan to cook. Why is it blue? Oh, jeez. Where's the pan? I'm literally blind. Thank you. I'm gonna never mind. I'm not cooking. Oh, wow. Oh, nope, you're not burning. You're not burning. Wait, where the hell is the plate? Da-da-da-da-da-da. Why can't I just put cream instead of butter? I'm at 50. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just give it a Where's the butter? Butter. Where's the butter? Oh, butter. Where the hell is the knife? Butter. I'm gonna give this patty a breakfast. It's a happy face. Happy. Here you go, big back. This. Alright, so what should I cook next? Oh no. Well, I wanna do vegetable spring roll. Ooh, wow. Sausage with ramen. Where's the noodle machine? Well, I'm gonna do dough first because they said dough. Where's the noodle machine? No. No. Is this right? Okay. See? Noodles. I'm gonna just turn them. Where do I boil it? Where do I even boil it? It's still burning. crack egg. Where's the... Mami, pakita. Saan yung marketplace? Tara. Mami, pakita. Marketplace yan, Mami. Where's the seaweed before it cooks itself?
Pinapasok kami ng kanyang bata.
Oh, this is fun. What do I do with them? I'm not cooking anymore. Never mind. I'll just do a different round. Just give me the damn recipe. Hello? Hello? What are you doing? Oh, what's it? Tarts. Deep purple. Oh my gosh, do donuts. Plain one dough and mold in. Where do I even mold it? Donuts. Where's the deep fryer? Where's the deep fryer? Where the hell is the deep fryer? Where's the frying pan? You know what? I'ma just cook it here. Do not cook already. Oh yay! Why the hell is it wet? Oops. Pinch. Ah, you're cooked. Oh wait, where is that? Oh wait, I'm back. So where's the icing? So where'd you get confident. Last time I checked, I didn't mean to be direct. Just stop. You're being fucking rude. Maybe I'm not better. No! Literally. No sprinkles. La la So where's the fruit again? Bro, tumigil ka. Nice. Mommy. Donut. Wait, I'm gonna put sugar.
Grabe po. Lagpas tao.
Sugar.
Araneta? Oh, Dylan. Baka.
Grabe.
Masakit balak nito na. Parang binabali. Dito mo na. Bahalan ko lang.
Di lang tumigil ka.
Mami, subukan ko rin dyan. Dyan yung trabaho namin dati kay Victor. Lapit kami sa may
Dylan, masakit balak nito dito.
Mami, tinan mo ginagawa ko sa sugar. Nilalagay ko sa donut. Pwede ba yun? Sir, shut up!
Anong lalim yun? Kasi hindi ko makakabog ng ganyan kung hindi malalim yun.
Siyempre, tinan mo yung ano ng tubig.
Salt.
Gatao.
Yeah, I'm poisoning.
Mamalaki ng
Yeah, I'm trying to poison the customer.
Grabe.
What? Mami, tinan mo niluto ko.
Ano to?
Niluto ko. Hey, no, this is mine. But bakes si Kuya. No, you, babe. No, I'm gonna feed this to the trash. I'm throwing this out. My drop is donut.
Barbie yan.
Pinapaanak ka ba? Pinapaanak mo lang sa kusang namin.
Itlog yun. Hindi, experimento lang mo.
Ano ba?
Barb.
Dilan naman. Whistle pa yan na mami. Are you cool?
Barb yun, Barb. Oo.